Hello Lobos and Canvas learners. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a content page, and I will show you how to add items that you might have saved as PDFs or items that you might have as Microsoft Office, such as the PowerPoint, how to add those to content pages within Canvas. Alright, so I'm here in my home page of my test course, and remember that with pages you have two options. You can start at the pages button here, or you can actually start at the module level, which is what I'll be doing. So a reminder about content pages. What are they? They are literally pages that hold your instructional content. So if you have videos, if you have PowerPoints, if you have Google slide presentations, if you have articles, that is where that content lives, so that your students don't have to go out to links necessarily. That is an option, but it's not the only option. So this is going to show you how you can make pages within Canvas where you can embed that content. All right, so I'm going to hit the gray plus sign, and then I'm going to select page from the drop-down list and say new page. And I'm going to call this page creating a content page using files and Microsoft Office. And say add item, and then I click on the page. This is actually taking me to view the page. I think I've been saying edit in my videos, but really what it's doing is the student would click on this to view the content. You as the teacher can view or edit. So in this case, I'm going to select edit from the options, and then that's going to take me to the text editor page. I click into my text box field, and then I'm going to select this icon. So you'll notice in this toolbar you have some different icons. This one is a link. This is images. This is media, such as video or audio. The triple dot hid our tables, and this is a math text editor. And this was our third party, so Google Drive, YouTube, Khan Academy, Quizlet. But for this video, we're going to focus on the one that looks like a piece of paper. And then I'm going to select, I have three options here: upload document, course documents, and user documents. Course documents would be items that I had uploaded to the entire course over here in the files section. User documents would be files that I have attached to myself. I don't have any files in my course or attached to myself, so I'm going to say upload document, and that's actually going to search my computer. So I'm going to say upload file here, and I'm going to pick a PDF right here, and then say submit. All right, while that's loading, there's the name, Rich Content Editor Comparison Document. When I click on that, I have an options button that populates. I'm going to click on options, and this is going to show me what I have. I want to select this box right here. It says automatically open an inline preview. So let me show you how I got there. It popped the link in for me. I clicked on the link, and this little options box pops up. I click on options, and then I select this box. Why? I do this because this is going to show a full text preview, viewable version of the PDF directly in the Canvas window. I'm going to say done, and then so we can see it, I'm going to say save. And now, not only do I have that link, but I also have a full text preview of the document. So now the content of that PDF can be viewed within this Canvas window. This is great for students that have limited download capacity, so those on Chromebooks, for example. All right, I'm going to go back to edit now, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, but with a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm clicking right here at the end next to the text, and I'm going to hit the enter bar twice just to give myself some space. Then I'm going back to the file icon. Remember, for files is a page. And then I'm going to say upload document. This time though, when I search my computer, I'm going to look for a PowerPoint presentation. And I'm going to double click and then say submit. This may take a moment to load. Oh, it was actually pretty fast. But same thing here, I have some options. So let's check those out. And again, I want to inline preview because I want my students to be able to view the content within the Canvas page. I don't want them to have to download it and open it up in another program. I want them to be able to view it right here directly within my Canvas window. And now I'm going to say save and publish, and let's take a look at the page. There's my PDF that I originally did. Now, if the kids are like, oh, that's too much, they can right here just say minimize file preview, and it pops it down into this little icon, which they can then click to pop it back out. And then here's my PowerPoint. and they have the full PowerPoint right here in this page. So it looks a little different than the Google slide presentation, but it is here for them. They can view the full text content. An important note of difference between Google slide content in a page and a PowerPoint presentation in a page, this is not editable. So if I make changes to my actual PowerPoint that I have saved on my desktop, I do have to re-upload it in Canvas. If I make a change to a Google slide presentation that I embedded as a Google slide, that change is instant. So just make sure you are aware of the differences between using PowerPoints and slides. As always, if you have any questions at all about how to add files such as PDFs, Word documents, or PowerPoint presentations to your content pages in Canvas, please reach out to any member of the digital learning team. Thank you.